So sophisticated.
Mrs. Har is the most amazing show ever. Yeah, sorry, I'm really glad It's really nice to meet you. Sorry, I think I offended you because it's this